channel. In my previous videos, I had various kinetic models. I would like to show you how to fit linear Thomas column kinetic model using Microsoft Excel. This video is very important, so please do not miss it. Well, linear Thomas column kinetic model can be written as ln C naught divided by Ct minus 1 equal to K Q naught m divided by capital Q minus K C naught T. A plot of ln C naught by Ct minus 1 versus T will produce a straight line with slope equal to minus K C naught and intercept equal to this. So in order to fit, I have taken column adsorption data for time C naught and Ct, and if you select this time and Ct by C naught, then click insert, then scatter, click on it. So see, here is the plot for breakthrough curve. Now I will show you how to fit this linear Thomas model. Well, in order to fit this, I have also converted data into C naught by Ct. Just click here and equal to bracket C naught divided by Ct. Then click enter. Then I have also converted C naught divided by Ct minus 1. Just click equal to, then select this minus 1, then click enter and scroll down this and scroll down this. So this is C naught by Ct minus 1. Then I have also converted ln C naught by Ct minus 1. Just equal to ln, select this, then enter and scroll down this. So this is your ln C naught by Ct minus 1. Then select time and select this and click insert, then choose scatter, you will get this plot. Then go to layout, then click on trend line. So then select linear trend line. So you will get this linear line. After this, then again select this and go to more trend line. Then select this, display equation on chart and display R squared value on chart, then close. So here is the equation and here is R squared value. So from this equation or linear fit, we can easily see that intercept is 6.484 and slope is minus 0.012. So from slope, we can easily calculate K values, and C naught is already known, and from intercept, we can easily calculate Q naught. So this is how we can easily fit linear Thomas column adsorption model using Microsoft Excel. In my next video, I will show you how to fit Thomas coulmn kinetic model using Origin Pro and Microsoft Excel Solver.